Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If y'all don't know me, my name is Laura. I talk about a lot of stuff on my channel. I talk about anxiety, I talk about health problems, I talk about makeup, I will be reviewing stuff. I did few reviews, I think. Anyway, so I know that this whole car thing is getting a little old, but I had just went to go get everybody something to eat, and then I checked my mailbox, and I've never ordered from Boxy Charm before, but I got my first Boxy Charm today. I'm so excited. Can you see the excitement on my face? Super excited. So excited. Sorry. Okay, anyways, I do get the premium box too. I did order the premium box, but I ain't got it yet. And if anybody who actually knows me knows I am so impatient. So very impatient. And there's no way that I can not open this box today. Right now. Maybe right now. I don't know. Depends how long it takes for my food to get in my car. Super excited. I'm gonna put my seat back a little bit. So, yeah. So, this is the regular box. This is just in my mailbox. Super excited about it. Now, how the heck am I going to open this? I don't even know where my keys are. It's one thing about push start. Like, you never know where your keys are. They're in your purse somewhere. Just know I don't have my keys if I try to start my car and it won't start. Ouch. Okay. Alright. So, when I open my box, the guy next to me is looking at me like I'm crazy, but it's okay. When I open my box, it looks like this. So we're gonna see what we got this month. Well, this is my first month, so we're gonna see what we got. I also did get a message from Boxy Charm. I guess from our premium box, they did message me and say that my box wasn't worth $125, so I got a $25 credit to use for the Boxy Charm pop-up, which I used last night. Don't quite remember what I bought because I do have a tendency to buy stuff and forget and not remember. I'm one of those that I do Amazon orders at like 2 in the morning and I do not know what I got until it gets here, or I get a notification saying your order's on the way, and I'm like, what order? And then I go back and look at my orders and I'm like, oh well, that happened. I will be doing my what all I bought in quarantine mode. I mean, I've not really been in quarantine. I've been partially quarantined. I've been working from home Monday through Wednesday and in office Thursdays and Fridays. But tomorrow I will be working full time back at the office. So for that video, I think that I've gotten everything that I've ordered. I think I'm waiting on one more thing that I've ordered during this time, and you know, then I might do another video because I do order a lot of stuff, but trying to make sure that I ain't bringing my food out. So the first thing I got is, I don't even know how to say it. Is it AM Beauty Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes right here. Pretty packaging, like, I mean, it's kind of blinding actually. I guess I'll be trying these out tonight. I've never heard of this brand, and maybe it's because I'm sheltered when it comes to makeup sometimes. I'm not really sure. Let's see, what is this? GC Lip Pencil. Gerard Cosmetics Lip Pencil in the shade Share. It's pretty, I don't know if you can really see that right there. But I don't do a lot of lips. I mean, it's pretty nude. It's pretty basic. I don't do a lot of lip stuff. But I might try this out later on today. We shall see. What else did I get? So I got this from Wander Beauty. It's Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. What do I do with this? What do we do? I don't know. Let's see. Let's read. Gently squeeze tube to release 2 to 3 drops of glow ahead, illuminating face oil onto fingertips, massage into skin until fully absorbed. So, I'm guessing I do this after I wash my face in the morning. Maybe I'll try it out in the morning when I get out of the shower and wash my face and stuff. Hopefully this will not irritate my skin. I do have sensitive skin. If anybody knows anything about this brand, like I said, it's Wander Beauty, let me know in the comments, because I gotta go to work. I can't be going to work looking crazy. Alright, let's see. The next thing we got is from Glam Glow. It is Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. That's interesting. I didn't get a card, so I don't know how much this stuff is at all, but we shall see. We shall see. I'm gonna smell it. I like smelling stuff. It smells pretty good, actually, not gonna lie. Got a little bit on my hands. It smells really good. Kind of looks weird. It's got little things in it, but I guess I might use this tonight when I take my makeup off after I use these makeup removing wipes. I'm excited. I'm excited. I will see. I will look to see how much all this stuff costs, and I'll put that in the description box. If not, or I will also put it up on a little thingy up here. Okay, so I'm back. Had to get my food and get home and eat, but I wanted to show you guys the rest of what I got and what I'm feeling about it. I got this Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. And yeah, just has the ingredients on the back. And it comes with 9 shades. These are the shades it comes with. Let me swatch them. I like to swatch stuff. So the first shade is Sheen. Ooh, that's pretty. It's pretty. The second shade is Flaxen. There's that one. This third shade is a matte, and it is called Bear. And you can you can actually see it pretty good on my tan skin. We're gonna go in with, let's see, wipe this off on something. What better thing to do in the chair? The fourth shade is called Gilded. That's pretty. I really like that one. I'm sorry if my lighting's not that good. I'm running out of sunlight, but that is a shimmer. The next shade is Wicked. Ooh. It's definitely dark. That's definitely a dark one. This one is called Lace, and it is another matte. I'm going to get some more for you to see. Well, you can see pretty good with my tan skin. There we go. And then we have another matte shade called Dusk. It's a pretty pinky shade. I don't know if you can really see that well. And then we have another matte light purple, which is called Blush. Trying to see. And then the last shade is called Fate, and it is another matte shade as well. And it's pretty dark. So here's the 9 shades: Sheen, Flaxen, Bear, Gilded, Wicked, Lace, Dusk, Blush, and Fate. So I'm really excited to use this palette. And I got one more thing in here. I did look up the prices, by the way. Nice little thing. Protege by, what is it, Supa Beauty? Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. Ooh, that's pretty. Comes with little protectors, and it has 6 little circle shades, And these two right here, I'm assuming they're highlighters. They're really pretty, so I'm gonna swatch all these two. This first one is called Era. My mom is looking at me through the house. She doesn't know what I'm doing. And then Theory is, ooh, that's really pretty. I'm gonna use this one tomorrow. It's the other highlighter shade right there. She's looking at me crazy. And then we have this shade, a matte shade, which is called Conscious. Very conscious of what I'm doing. Then we have a more shimmer, which is called Balance. And it's right there. That is pretty. I just don't know how it would look on me, per se. And let's see. Really don't want to use one of those makeup wipes. I should have brought one out here, but excuse me for being, new to all this. Another matte shade called Tact. So that's probably one that I would use as a base. We have another matte shade called Poetic. Oh, that's pretty. That's like a light purplish. It's really pretty. And then we have another shimmer called Structure. I need some structure in my life, okay? You feel me? That's really pretty. And then the last color we have is the other matte shade called Aesthetic. That is a very vibrant purple. So we have, what is it? What do I do? Era, Theory, Conscious, Balance, Tact, Poetic, Structure, and Aesthetic. And this is what it looks like one more time. And this is really pretty. You can see I'm filming on my phone. But anyways, so I looked up the prices. I mean, I am pretty happy with what I got because they are full-size products. I only paid $25 for all this stuff. So I looked it up, and these I Am makeup remover wipes are $17. I usually pay like $6 for mine. This Wander Beauty, which I'm really excited about because I did look at a lot of reviews and people literally love this stuff. So I'm excited to try this out in the morning. This retails for $42. Now, would I buy this for $42? And me, like if I was in Sephora, Ulta, or wherever they sell this stuff at, I would probably pass by it because it's pretty expensive. It is 25 milliliters, 0.84 ounces. So that's pretty expensive. Where'd my lip pencil go? This lip pencil, which I really think is really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and put some right here in my hand. It is really pretty. Do I see myself ever using it? No. And my hands are clean, by the way, but I will probably be gifting this to one of my friends that uses lip stuff. But that is $16. Would I ever buy any lip stuff or a lip pencil for $16? No. That's not my style. That's not me. This Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask retails for $49. Like I said, it does smell good. Looks kind of scary because there's stuff in it and I don't know what that stuff is. Hopefully it's something I'm allergic to. But we're about to see tonight because I will be reviewing these. But I don't know if I'm putting a video. I might, but this is just at first glance. Let's see. And then the Studio Makeup little palette right here, $35. Would I buy this in store if I saw it? No. No. I would not. I'm sorry. Like, they're beautiful. Like, I will use this. Like, they are beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. And I will use them. But at first impression, would I buy it if I saw it? I'm like, wow, $35. I can get a lot. I can, get a lot more shades with bigger pans. But that is just my first impression. But these colors are beautiful, so I will use it. And if I do love it, which I'm pretty sure I will. I might buy it again when I run out. I don't know. We'll have to see. And the last thing I got was the Protege by Super Beauty, which is really pretty, and I love the packaging, and I love, see, you can see me on my phone. I love the packaging. I love it has a very clear mirror, and it's not cheap, and it's like it's magnetic, so I really like that. I will be using this. I really love those highlighter shades. I don't know if they're highlighter shades or if they're just, you know, the shimmers, but hey, you can use a shimmer for a highlighter. I've done it plenty of times before. But this is $34. I don't know if I'd buy this either. I probably would, honestly, because of the packaging, but that's $34. That's really expensive. So I paid around $25 for this box, and yes, I'm getting the premium box hopefully in the next couple days, and I could not wait because I wanted to compare them. I still might compare them when I do get my premium box, but like I said, I'm very impatient, and I wanted to look at those colors. Yes. I'm using this one tomorrow. I'm gonna use both of them. I'm gonna go to work looking crazy probably, but so for all this stuff, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, for $25, and they retail total $193. Yes, this was worth it. The only thing, like I said, that I wouldn't use is the lip pencil, because I really don't put anything on my lips like that. So I am impressed. I will be using this stuff. I do need to take better care of my face, I guess, because, you know, everybody does. But yeah, this was my first BOXYCHARM box, and I'm excited to use the products in it. Hopefully I love them. I can already tell by swatching the shades that I will love the palettes, and, you know, I am a huge makeup fan. Makeup does help me with it, you know, playing with makeup just gets my mind off everything else going on around me. But I'm interested to hear you guys' thoughts. If y'all have used these products, let me know. Let me know if they're good. Let me know if, with my sensitive skin, if I should use these. This video will probably be going up in a few hours. I don't know if I'll have my makeup off by then and already have, the stuff on my face. Who knows? But hopefully y'all have a great night. Like I say, just subscribe to my channel, share it. And like I say in every other video, if you ever need me, I'm here. Just reach out. My socials will always be in my description box. And I hope y'all have a great night. And I hope y'all who get your BOXYCHARM boxes love y'all's too. Bye.